This is the Maximizer Pouch by Vanquest. And what makes this pouch terrific is just its capabilities in terms of all the stuff that you can store in here. You can see that I happen to have this one in red, and I bought 4 of these packs because I like them so much. Primarily, on 3 of them, I use them for first aid kits that I keep inside of my vehicles. But this one's set up a little bit different. I'm going to walk you through that today. So you can see the overall size of it is still compact enough that you could throw it in any backpack, center console of your car, what have you. It's got MOLLE attachment points on both sides, the rear, also some Velcro back there. Nice little grab handle, so again, if it's in your center console or in your backpack, you just grab and go. It's got a deep pocket in the front. Again, for first aid, if you had a pair of scissors, tourniquet, whatever, this would be a great spot for them. You've got a Velcro patch for your ranger eye patches, or in my case, I've got some that say first aid that they go right across the top. But this one's set up a little bit different. So you can see you have 2 zippers with these nice little finger hooks that allow you to take that wide open. And this is a great thing about this bag is it clamshells completely open. If you can see there, look at all of these elastic little bungee attachments. There's multiples of them. If you're using it for first aid, great place for gauze, band-aids, splinter pull things, tweezers, what have you. In this case, you can see I'm using it for cables. So I've got some USB-Cs, USB-As, micro USBs, whatever. In here, I keep some SSD drives. I keep computer mouse. I even keep some tape in case I need to tape something up for a shot. But typically, this is set up just for any grab-and-go camera gear that I'm going to need on the way. I might even use them for my Rode wireless goes. Just to keep everything in one place. Now I've got all my camera gear ready to go. But again, this is the Vanquest, or a bag from Vanquest. They've got a lot of great products, but I love this one in particular, especially for first aid or just grab and go gear of any type.